Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss about supplementary angles. So let's start with an examples. We have pair of angle, one angle is 60 degrees, second angle is 120 degree. So in this pair, one angle 60 degree and second angle is 120 degree. We add these two angles 60 degree plus 120 degree. It is equal to 180 degree. In the second pair of angles, one angle is 68 degrees, second angle is 112 degree. We add these two angles 68 degree plus 112 degree. When we add these two angles, we get sum equal to 180 degree. In this pair of angles, one angle is 100 degrees, second angle is 80 degree. So we add these two angles 100 degree plus 80 degree. It is equal to 180 degree. In this pair of angles, one angle is 135 degree, second angle is 45 degree. So we add these two angles 135 degree plus 45 degree. When we add these two angles, we get answer 180 degree. The sum of the measure of angles in each of the pair is 180 degree. Such pair of angles are called supplementary angle. When the sum of measure of two angles is 180 degree are called supplementary angles. When two angles are supplementary, each angle is said to be supplement of the other angle. For example, in this 60 degree angle is supplement of 120 degree and 120 degree angle is supplement of 60 degree. In this 68 degree angle is supplement of 112 degree and 112 degree angle is supplement of 68 degree. In this 80 degree angle is supplement of 100 degree and 100 degree angle is supplement of 80 degree. In this 45 degree angle is supplement of 135 degree and 135 degree angle is supplement of 45 degree. Two obtuse angles, angle which is greater than 90 degree, and two acute angles, angle which is less than 90 degree, can never be supplementary as their sum is not equal to 180 degree, and to be supplementary the angle sum should be equal to 180 degree. And two right angles form supplementary angle. Now we find the pair of supplementary angle. There are some pairs of angle are given. We have to find which pair is supplementary. So let's start. From first question, one angle is 110 degree and second angle is 50 degree. So we check this pair of angle is supplementary. To check this pair, we add these two angles 110 degree plus 50 degree. We add these two angles. When we add these angles, we get answer equal to 160 degree. So this pair of angle is not supplementary angles because their sum is not equal to 180 degree. So this pair of angle is not supplementary. In the second question, in this pair, one angle is 105 degree and second angle is 65 degree. To check these angles are supplement or not, we add these two angles 105 degree plus 65 degree. 105 plus 65 degree, when we add we get answer equal to 175 degree. Again this pair of angle is not supplementary because their sum is not equal to 180 degree. So this pair of angle is not supplementary. So in this question, one angle is 50 degree, second angle is 130 degree. So again we add these two angles to check these angles are supplementary or not. 50 degree plus 130 degree. When we add these two angles, we get sum equal to 180 degree. So these two angles are supplementary angles because their sum equal to 180 degree. In this pair of angles, both the angles are 45 degrees. So we add these two angles, 45 degree plus 45 degree. When we add these two angles, we get sum equal to 90 degree. Again, these angles are not supplementary because their sum is not equal to 180 degree. So this pair of angles is not supplementary angles. If you find any query, then you can comment on this video. Also like this video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also press bell icon so you get notification of my new video. Thank you.